What it do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube? And welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today I have a review on the thickest beard oil out to date, in my opinion, that I have ever seen. artiusman. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. And like I said, we're going to talk about the thickest beard oil out, in my opinion, and I haven't came across anything thicker. So, we're talking about artiusman. I'm pretty sure if you've been on this beard journey for a while, you've heard about artiusman. artiusman's a great company. They have great owners, they have great PR, and they care about their products and customers. So, when I say this is the thickest oil, best believe it is. But we'll get into that in a second. So, we're going to talk about artiusman. This is the Winter's Chill scent, and then we have the unscented balm as well. So, this is a 1 ounce green bottle. I like the green. Oil-proof labels. Winter's Chill, which is peppermint and eucalyptus. And I believe it has some fir in there as well. And it is really the thickest. Watch. It's hardly ever coming out. It's the thickest oil out. So, when we talk about artiusman, they have so much for the bearded men. They have your beard oil, your beard balm, your beard wax, your beard wash, absolutely everything. They even have stuff for your regular skin and your regular hair. You can't beat it. artiusman is one of those companies that you need to try. And if you're not sure about them, they offer free samples. What other companies offer free samples? All you got to do is pay shipping. That's how I started my beard journey. I started with artiusman. And artiusman is one of those companies you should start your beard journey with too. Samples are probably the biggest size samples that you'll get, and they last you a long time. I still have samples that I have over 4 months, and they're only half full because it's a scent that I don't want to use all the time. So you can find scents that you love, you can find scents that you want to use on occasions, and it's going to last you a long time. One thing what I noticed with this oil, you don't always have to use balm because it is so thick, which is absolutely amazing. And how much for this 1 ounce oil? $14.95. So we're going to get into the scent. The peppermint, eucalyptus, and fir. You get that peppermint right off the bat, and I'm going to tell you right now, it's a strong peppermint smell. It's one of those peppermints that's probably going to clear your nostrils, and the eucalyptus as well. I don't really get the fir in there, but it says it's on there, so I'll let you guys know. And I'm going to be honest with you. If you can't tell, I'm kind of a little congested, and I'm a little sick over the weekend. And this is what I've been using the most. Because with the peppermint eucalyptus, it helps clear the nose. It's kind of got like, it's not Vicks, but you know what I mean? It's kind of got that feeling. It kind of, you feel the invigorating on your skin and your beard when you use the Winter's Chill with the peppermint eucalyptus. And it feels good. It's refreshing. And this goes in the beard perfect. It does, even though it's thick, it doesn't weigh it down. And it lasts all day. The scent, I would say, is about an 8 to 10 hour scent. But the hydration and the oil and the softness last all day, which is very a plus. Like I said, it's very thick. It's clear oil. It's clear as it gets. Look. Hardly ever even coming out. So we'll get into the ingredients here. Let's see. We got castor seed oil. No wonder why it's thick. Castor oil is one of the thickest oils out there, if not the thickest, and it's the #1 ingredient in here. So the castor seed oil. We got sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil, shea oil. Bear with me because they got the scientific names on here, so I'm trying to read through the scientific to get to the name for you guys. So we were at shea seed oil, then we're at argan kernel oil, marula oil, babu, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, baobab seed oil, the vitamin E, and then the peppermint, fir, and eucalyptus essential oils. And it says it's certified organic. That's a plus there if you guys are just looking for organic products. Now the balm. I got unscented, and I'm sure the balm formula is the same for every scented one. But I wanted just unscented just to try it. If you can see, I've been using quite a bit. You know, it's got that waxy and that butter smell. And I would say this on to the medium to strong hold, in my opinion. And this goes for a 2 ounce for $18.95, which is a good deal for a 2 ounce balm. You know, you see 1 ounces out there for around that price, so 2 ounces is awesome. White labels, nice clean look, artiusman. And we'll get into the ingredients on this as well. All right, we got coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and then I'm sure this is a generic label, 100% pure essential oils, but this is unscented, so there's no essential oils in there. So this is a great balm if you're looking for something unscented, if you don't want to use a scented beard balm. Sometimes I do that, especially at night. I like to smell just the oil. If I'm using, for example, a lavender or something to relax throughout the night. Or like, for example, right now, I'm not feeling well, I'm sick, I'm congested, and I want to go with this and this. You know, this is what I've been using for about past 3 or 4 days, and it's good. If you notice, I've had this for about 2.5 weeks, and it's already about, I'd say, a third gone. This is one of my favorite oils and one of the first ones I've tried. You should try it too on your beard journey. So, artiusman, Matt approved. I recommend the Winter's Chill scent, and their balm, Matt approved as well.